Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review the Bosch GLM100-23. The Bosch GLM100-23 is a compact and easy-to-use laser measuring tool designed for both professionals and DIYers. It features a simple 2-button layout, allowing you to measure distances quickly, and even round results from 1/2 inch up to 1/32 inch. It measures distances up to 100 feet with extreme accuracy, displays results clearly on a backlit screen, and is portable enough to fit in your pocket. On Amazon, users say it's an impressive and highly accurate tool that is small, lightweight, and very easy to carry. They appreciate the clear display, easy operation, and reliability compared to traditional tape measures. Some minor drawbacks noted are that it can reset if tapped and does not indicate rounding direction, but overall, customers find it extremely useful and recommend it as a dependable measuring device. Now let's see the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Bosch GLM100-23 measures up to 100 feet with 1/16 inch accuracy, has a clear backlit display with large numbers for easy reading in low light, and is compact, lightweight, and durable thanks to its rugged rubber over mold. On the negative side, it does not have Bluetooth or measurement logging, lacks advanced functions like inclinometer or angle measuring. The laser dot can be hard to see in bright outdoor light, and it runs on basic AAA batteries. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.